Do you want slimmer legs? In just 7 days, you can achieve it all without squatting, without jumping, and without any pain in your knees. This is a completely beginner-friendly 1-minute exercise routine which is so easy, so doable, and absolutely effective, especially for people looking to lose their thigh fat and their calf fat. These are your 1-minute go-to exercises which are 100% standing with absolutely visible, amazing results. I am dietitian Natasha Mohan and I am also a fitness guru. Many people join my weight loss program to transform their lives, and I have transformed thousands of lives already. Now it's your lucky day today. Before we begin the exercises, quickly comment below because I will be replying to all the comments today. So let's begin the first exercise with the help of a chair. I'm going to teach you how you can get slim legs and slim calves. For the first exercise, we're going to hold the chair like this, about 1 arm distance, and we're going to raise our leg like this. Hold it at the count of 3 for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and bring it back. Then again 1, 2, and 3. Again you have to hold it. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and hold it to the count of 3 over there. This very thing is really going to burn your thigh, especially your inner thigh. 2 and 3. Hold it there. Well done. Super proud of all of you. Now we have to do the other leg now. Now we're going to do the same thing with the left leg. 1, 2, and hold it to the count of 3. Now again 1, 2, and hold it to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. For this leg you can feel the burn in the inner thigh, and for this leg you can feel the burn in the outer thigh. 1, 2, 3. Hold it to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done! Super proud of all of you. The next move is simple and easy. Stand tall next to a chair with your core tucked in tight. Your legs should be raised above the ground level this much, and your toe should be pointing upwards. So you're going to make a small circle with your toe pointing straight as if you have a pen attached to your toe, and the circle should be perfect. Then we're going to take it anti-clockwise. You can feel the burn all along your outer thigh, your inner thigh, all along till your calf. Now again clockwise. Then anti-clockwise. Now again clockwise. And anti-clockwise. And well done. Let's do the other leg now. Now we're going to do anti-clockwise. Well done! Next exercise is a simple and easy heel and toe raise. It's very, very effective, especially to shape your calf muscles. Come up on your toes, hold it there for at least 2 seconds, then on your heels like this with the help of a chair. Now again on your knees. Keep doing this exercise. Well done! The next exercise is a simple and easy calf muscle exercise. You're going to stretch your leg like this all the way, your heel pointing upwards. Your toes pointing upwards. It's simple and easy exercise. No gym, no equipment, yet you're going to see visible results in just 7 days. That's my promise to you. Just make sure you do these exercises consistently and effortlessly, just the way I've taught you. All you have to do is play the video and do it along with me every single day. And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, then don't fear, because I'm here. All you need to do is click on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program. It's a customized, tailor-made program according to your needs, your preferences, your likes and your dislikes. We keep everything in mind. In fact, every person who joins the program is given a dedicated team of a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor under my supervision. So if you're looking for something which is nice and easy to follow, tailor-made according to your needs and your preferences, this is the right choice. Don't forget to click on the link given below, and don't forget to hit the like button for this very video, because I put in effort every week just for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with whoever you think is also struggling with thunder thighs and not very fit calf muscles. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.